Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of High Ride Garage. Today we are having a fantastic, beautiful summertime day here in Amsterdam, and we are going to take a look at beautiful helmets. So today is a special episode. Why? Because we are going to reveal some giveaways helmets, and I take this occasion to remind everybody to make sure that you check the chat box, make sure that you check all the comments that you have left on the channel before. Why? Because I have responded to the lucky winners of the giveaways, but until now, out of the 6 winners, nobody has reached back with their email addresses and home addresses and contacts in order to ship the giveaways. So guys, I really hope that you guys are checking your contacts. I know it's out of YouTube. Perhaps you don't have the settings where every single comment goes into your inbox, but please go back to the channel, go back to the video where you left your comments that you would have loved to have the part giveaways or the helmet, and make sure that you respond to the comment. You can send me an email at highride.web@gmail.com, and I'll make sure that from there you guys get the winners, obviously will get the giveaway. So without further ado, now let's look at what are the new giveaways of this episode for the 1000 subscribers. So we have now passed the 500 subscribers, and there has been plenty of giveaways already that that some of you actually won. I have to correct myself, actually. One of you did reach back to me. I'm not gonna disclose the name for privacy reasons, but he has received plenty of giveaways, which I'm sure that he is loving to bits by now. So now I'm going to present you this beautiful X-Lite. So X-Lite, I don't know if you're reading the brand correctly, but this is a very famous brand, especially for the MotoGP, especially for the racer type. It belongs to Nolan, which used to be an Italian brand. Now it's been sold, I don't know, Americans, Japanese, I have no idea. But nevertheless, this is still Italian design, and they are the ones that actually produced this fantastic MotoGP design helmet. As you can see, this is the proper official MotoGP design helmet. It's Max design. So Max design is quite new to me. Well, on the channel we feature a lot of Drudy design, we feature a lot of Starline design, but Max design is new, but nevertheless I think he did a good job. Probably is the guy who designed the MotoGP logo, and we have it in the XL size, and this is the model X801RR. So as we can see from the shape and from the features, this is properly done for aeration, and this is also probably done with all the very cool trucks, as you can see, of the MotoGP season. So here we can spot Valencia, we can spot Le Mans and Qatar, and so this is really nice helmet. It's in pretty good conditions. The inside is also in a pretty good conditions. I hope that you guys are appreciating in its entirety. It's second hand, just like any helmet on my channel, apart from the one of the New Year's Eve giveaway. So please go and check it out who won that one. And yeah, so Nolan technology, X-Lite. It's absolutely gorgeous, and composite fiber, and one of you is gonna get this one as long as you subscribe to the channel, comment, and leave a thumb up to the video. So, and obviously check your inbox, check the comment, because one of you is gonna win this one. But if you guys don't reach back to me with your name and home address and etc for the DHL guys to deliver it to you, then obviously I cannot send the giveaway. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this helmet design and the episode. And actually today we even have an extra, and I really want to give it an extra. Why? Because this is my helmet that I've been using for the last 2 track days season. There's still plenty of bugs on it, no worries, I will clean it up before shipping it to you. But this is also a beautiful helmet, and which I'm actually replacing with the new model. And as you can see, the high ride stickers are on it. And this is also a pretty nice giveaway, considering the quality of the Shoei helmet, considering also this very, very expensive visor which is gonna go with it. And guys, please do subscribe to the channel, leave it a thumb up, comment, share the video, and make sure to check in a week, 2 weeks, in a couple of days, in 1 month, as soon as we go across the 1,000 subscribers, who actually managed to win these 2 fantastic helmets. So thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.